Tired of missing your local teams or getting the wrong news on YouTube TV? Let's dive right into updating your playback area on YouTube TV so you always get the right local channels and regional sports, starting with your profile icon on the YouTube TV app or website. Click on your profile picture, usually located in the upper right corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing your YouTube TV experience. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Location. This is where the magic happens. Click on it. You'll see your current home area listed if it's incorrect. Or if you've recently moved, click Update. YouTube TV needs this to give you the right local channels. YouTube TV will likely ask for location permissions. Grant these permissions. It's crucial for the app to accurately pinpoint your location and provide the correct local channels and regional sports networks. Your device might ask you to turn on location services. Go ahead and do that. You might see a map where you can confirm your location. If the pin is off, simply drag it to your actual address. Once you're sure it's accurate, confirm your selection. And that's it. Your home area is updated. Keep in mind that YouTube TV has location restrictions. You can't change your home area more than twice per year, and you need to check in from your home area every 3 months. Still having trouble? Try restarting the app, double-checking your device's location services, or contacting YouTube TV support for further assistance. Now you're all set to enjoy the correct local programming on YouTube TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.